I'm Anthony Drizis, and joining me this morning for the opening bell is Sean John Thomas, Managing Director and Head of Exchange Traded Funds at Northern Trust. So you're here today at the New York Stock Exchange ringing the bell. How does it feel?
It's fantastic. It's great to be with such a historic institution and being representing a historic institution like Northern Trust, so great opportunity for us.
And tell me, the ETF industry is largely dominated by three major industries. Why is your company any different?
Well, one of the things when you think about the exchange traded funds industry is although it's been around for a while, it is evolving. And so people talk about the large concentration of assets at the top, but the reality is you have a lot of innovation going on. Now, where we think we're particularly different is our focus is really investor centric. So we start with seeing what are investors looking to do in their objectives, what are they looking to accomplish, and we use that to drive the innovation of some very distinctive products like some of the products we've introduced in the last year.
So FlexShares crossed $1 billion in AUM recently. How do you attribute to the success?
Well, really, it's the response of the marketplace. So we talked about being investor-centric. If you look at something like we did with our upstream global natural resources product, that really struck a chord with investors in that they wanted to focus on natural resources, they wanted a diversification, and they saw a construction that you couldn't get otherwise in the marketplace in terms of getting that kind of exposure. Those are the kind of things that we're doing that we think are resonating with investors, and we think that's why they're flocking to the products.
What should investors think about when they're buying ETFs for their portfolios?
One of the most important things that investors should think about is really staying focused on what their objective is, right? So it's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day trading or some of the noise in the marketplace, but if you're really concentrating on what your objective is, whether it's managing risk, whether it's generating or growing assets, or whether it's managing liquidity, we think you'll be in a better position to pick the best long-term products for yourself.
Sean John, thank you for taking the time and joining us here at the New York Stock Exchange, and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.